Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. Just thought we'd do a quick video on changing the code for the i96 Pro or i96. So how this is done is ignition on, disarm the system. So we've done 1, 2, 1, 2. That disarms the system. And now press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's ready to receive a new code. If you want to find out what buttons work, you can go through now and test each button. You should get a bleep for buttons that work. You won't get a bleep for buttons that don't work. So on this, the bleep for buttons that do work are buttons like this. But if you were to pull the paddle, you see you get no bleep. So this button can't be used. So you can use a combination of any button that bleeps going throughout the steering wheel to make your code up between 3 and 21 presses. So what we'll do is we'll start again since we've gone through and looked for what buttons work. So we'll start from the start. First of all, disarm the system. Input 5 button presses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on. Get your 5 bleeps. So now pop your code in, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your code changed. So just turn the ignition off, give it 10 seconds, turn it back on, try your new code, make sure it went in okay.